All right, so today's lesson, short 2-minute Tai Chi lesson, is about connecting our shoulders to provide a structure in our Tai Chi stance. And so many times there's the misconception that by connecting our shoulders, we're rounding them and rounding our upper back. It's really not the case. If you just imagine that your shoulder has a shoulder qua, just like your hips have a hip qua, then what we're going to do is connect these shoulder qua, but not in a short, close proximity, but rather as if we had a line going out and around and making a big circle. So it goes out and around and connects way in front of us. So our shoulder qua are connecting to that point by swooshing out, around, and connecting. Now just simply feel that and feel what that does to your posture. So you see, if you opened your chest up too much, then you're going backwards, that line. And if you round them too much, then you're closing and shrinking or decompressing or deflating that ball. So you want the ball to be large and inflated. You also want to imagine where the two lines would connect, those two beautiful curved lines going out from your shoulder qua. And now just go ahead and hold your arms and sink your elbows and still feel that connection. And then if you do a simple move, like we can do push water, then you keep those shoulder qua connecting. And if you can even imagine the point at which they are connecting, and you can see that that point is changing from here then to here. So it's like that ball is just rolling and the connection point rolls with it. And now your big toes are connected as well, and your knees have a connection, and your hip qua has a connection. Even your spine, each vertebrae has a connection coming out and around and connecting. So it doesn't matter what movement you're doing. Here's somewhat like a brush knee. The connection is still there. Connecting my shoulder qua, connecting my toes, each vertebrae. My knees, the hip qua. Waving hands and clouds, same thing. And coming back now to your Tai Chi stance. And even in your position of Wuji or emptiness, feel those nice connections. And there you have it, your 2-minute Tai Chi lesson for the day. And thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to visit my website, taichisuzan.com, and join me in one of my live streaming classes. We have a great group of people, and you're certainly welcome to come give one a try. Thank you. Have a great day.